Okay, so my name is Jan Sokop and I am a process manager here. So I'm a head of the engineering and the quality department.
I'm Václav Kozdeba. I'm working in OPT OnDemand as IT manager.
OPT OnDemand is, I think, something around 25 years in printing services, especially in direct to garment, located in Czech Republic. Exactly in Ústí nad Labem, which is close to border with Germany. We have now something around 250 employees. Production is 10,000 square meters, and we have two main departments related to the printing, which is DTG printing and screen printing. We are printing it on demand. That's the reason why the company name is OPT OnDemand. We are really focused on the quality, and this is one of the reasons why we choose the ColorGATE RIP software. In the past, we had a few ripping softwares, and we need to focus a bit for the one technology with one ripping software, the second technology with a different ripping software. The shift leader needs to think what they will put to the brother workplace, what they will put to the own workplace. So they have, let's say, a twice job.
Whole workflow, which is very complex, I have to say. And we have different brands of printers, as Jan said, and each brand is driven by a different file type. We get our demo license from ColorGATE, and we was able to try first batch was around 800 pieces, and as Jan said, normally it would take us around 6 hours to rip that with our old solution, and it was done in 2 or 3 hours.
We ripped one batch about approximately 1,000 pieces, 6 hours, something like that, and now we are decreasing this time at least about 50%.
The operator will scan the QR code from the garment and to our own production software, and it automatically start downloading the preview and the print file into the printer, so the operator can then start the printing on the garment.
I think it will be the unification of the ripping software for all our machines. The second will be definitely the speed, and the third will be the quality and let's say the color management, because the color are more vibrant. ColorGATE side, they were always willing to help us, and this is something what we need to have as a strong partner and strong partnership for the future. The textile industry unfortunately contributes to one of the biggest part of the waste, so we don't want to behave like that, and we want to change it in our company. Now we are in front another project, which is DTF, and we would like to cover the DTF project with the ColorGATE RIP software as well.